Good evening all. My name is Dr. Nbr Srikanth. I am from Rakahmundry, Andhra Pradesh. I am attending this Swara Gurukul Workshop from the past 3 years. And this was the first time actually that Sir had conducting this subclass understanding. And it is a great opportunity to learn here in the lap of Mother Nature and under the guidance of Dr. Priyanka, Dr. Divya, and in the footsteps of the Master Sekhar Sir. So, what's the most beautiful thing in this workshop, what I found is that each and every remedy belonging to this subclass was so beautifully explained with its family, order, etc. So what happens is usually in the clinical practice, we chose to go through the known remedies. But here what with this understanding, now we have the liberty now that we had so much extensive knowledge and we can go through the case completely and try the newer remedies also, so that our clinical cases, our patients ultimately get benefited. So this is the most beautiful thing I observed in this particular workshop, so that our service towards humanity is magnified with this type of understanding. And Sir's way of explanation with each and every order and family in this subclass was so beautifully designed, and Sir even encouraged to get into the experience of these remedies by creating some ideas on the chart, etc., so that it will be digested in us. So it is not only knowledge that we are gaining here, the remedy should be digested and assimilated in our sense. That is what Sir's idea. So Sir designed the syllabus also in such a way that he actually, I think the plan was not only just throwing the light upon the remedies, but also make the participants digest and assimilate the remedies into their own sense, so that the remedy picture gets magnified and thus we can help with that remedies in our clinical practice. So I am very grateful actually to my family members, to Sir and all my colleagues and my friends who had helped me actually to come here and learn and walk in the footsteps of the great Master Sekhar Sir. Thank you so much.